Hey guys, I got my laptop here and right now I'm charging with Sierro 1000. You see here, it's off. Now it's on. So the point is that we're going to test the noise level when Sierro 1000 is on and when it's off. Okay, so right now it's charging. I'm going to turn this off and here, it's off. And I got this thing, I don't know how to call it, decibel meter, whatever it is, it measures the noise level. And let's see the level of the noise when this thing is off. Now it's super quiet, everything is quiet, no noise, absolutely no noise here. Yeah, should be 36, 37. That's basically when you don't hear anything. Now let's turn this on. Yeah, here, it's on. It's charging, okay. And yeah, let's measure. The same. I really can't hear anything. Like, it seems like it doesn't even work, but it's working. Okay.